Are you looking forward to make a residual source of income or initiate a system where your passive income flows in your bank account? Are you interested in developing yourself and having that right mindset and the right habits in place, which all the millionaires and billionaires out there follow and have? And are you really looking for real transformation with like everything carries thoughts and power and formless substance? Do you want something which like comes to you like a magnet? You become the magnet which you want to attract. How would that sound to you if I share the same with all of you? Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel, Meera. Namaste, आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to share with you 4 types of book. One, which will take care of your finances. Second, which will take care and help you build an effective habits, which will give you an upper hand as compared to other people. Third, which will help you be in the present moment, take care of your thoughts, and be grateful every moment. Fourth, it's a secret which I will share at the end of the video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So you guys might have understood and guessed by now that I'll be sharing with you books. So I'll be recommending books to all of you which will take care of all the 4 areas which I've talked about. So, but before I start sharing about them, let me be very clear. So, this book recommendation, which I'm going to share with all of you, is a level higher, which means like it's been 6 months now for me and for our channel too, where I'm sharing about books and how to read and how to make it more effective and productive for you. So, I believe that you guys might have also seen my previous videos where I have recommended books which is for beginners. And if you guys have started reading it, so this is something which you might be looking for an upper hand where you can improve yourself and take yourself a level higher. So, the first book today, which I'm going to talk about, is The Parable of the Pipeline. Yes, guys, you heard me right. This is an amazing book which has been written by Burke Hedges, and this was also the first book with which I started my journey from. So, this book is really close to me, and I have read this book almost like 10 12 times, or maybe more. Like, it's a very short read of 120 pages, and maybe less, like 116 if I'm not wrong. This book is a kick-ass book. Like, this book has literally changed the way I used to think about finances. It helps you open up different or multiple sources of pipeline, as the name suggests. With multiple sources of pipeline, I mean passive or residual income. And this book comes up with some amazing stories, especially the two friends, Bruno and Pablo. Like, it's once you start reading, I can guarantee you the way you used to think about the assets and the liabilities, it will definitely change, and it will help you also understand the value of passive income. Like, this book like helps you build a stream of passive income or residual income just by working part-time. And how you can do this, you will understand this very clearly after you read this amazing book. And you will also read in this book about a millionaire who become dead broke, comes down to zero, 100 million to zero, and also a teacher who makes her way up to a millionaire. How does that happen? So everything is given in this book. You must read this amazing book, The Parable of the Pipeline by Burke Hedges. And also, if you are like a beginner and still you feel that you need more time, let me tell you guys, this is the best book for you guys because it has pictures in it. And with pictures, I'm sure that take you to the childhood time where we used to study by looking at pictures. And it's a must read, it's an amazing read, and you will love it. Pictures, how to create a source of income which will flow towards you as a passive income or a residual income, and that too part time. Don't you think that's been amazing? So that's the first recommendation for you. The Parable of the Pipeline by Borg Hedges. So after you read this book, now you know how to have a passive or a residual source of income. But now the question is, like, every new thing, if I have to say, requires new habits. And in order to acquire new habits, it is important to break all the old patterns, old cycles, and old habits. So, how one can do this, how you can do this, how I did it, which brings me to the second recommendation of today, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. This book will literally make you a different person altogether. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People will take you from a state of dependence to independence, and then finally, it's my favorite one, interdependence. Interdependence is more of matured mindset and is more advanced concept. Like that includes it, or I should say this, whether it precludes knowledge that you are independent, as well as you know that working with other people will fetch you more results than you working on your own. Isn't it amazing? And this book is all about two things, like, which is again divided into 7 habits, which you will come to know after you read this book. The best part of this book, which I like, is sharpen the saw. Like this particular area has been explained by sharing a story, and I'm sure that you must have heard about the story of a woodcutter. Like many of us have heard about this, right? And this book will take you step by step from your personal to professional, which will help you become the kind of a person you want. And even in business, like if I have to share my personal experience, I even I've seen people around me that in business what they do is they only think about their profit. They only think about how they can get the most out of it without even thinking about the other person or the person they're dealing with. But do you know what? This book teaches you how to create a situation where you also make profit and even the other person makes profit. It's a situation where you think win win. It's one of the habits which you will be disclosed after you read this book. Don't you think it's amazing? It's an amazing read. So, this is the second recommendation which I have for you guys, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. Like, you have know now about the money part, you know how to develop that certain skill or habit. But don't you think it is also important to train our mind to be in a mode of gratitude, to help people, to have thought aligned with our action and words? This brings me to the third recommendation. It's a series of books written by Rhonda Byrne, and I'm sure that you guys might have guessed the books by now. I'm talking about The Secret, The Magic, The Power, Hero, and recently launched The Greatest Gift of Secret. So, but I've only read the three of them, The Secret, The Power, and The Magic. So, I'll be talking about them. But I've ordered The Greatest Gift of Secret and The Hero, so I'm waiting forward. So, I'm looking forward to read them as well and put it out as a review. So, The Secret, in this book, it teaches you how to trust the universe and you can attract anything and everything you want. Like it's like placing an order on Amazon. Like how many of you guys shop online here? Like do let me in the comment section. Like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay. There are multiple online streams available, right? And what do? You just go to the website or the app which you use, select the product you want, place the order, pay for it, and then wait. This is exactly the same concept which Rhonda talk about. That's ask, believe, and receive. Like say for instance, you can take this universe as your catalog where you can have anything and everything you want. So you ask for it. Like it's like placing an order on Amazon. Then you believe that you are going to receive this thing, and then finally receive. There will be the transactional stuff, or there can be series of events which will happen, which will make sure that this manifestation is coming for you. So you just need to have complete trust on that. Now you have asked for it, you have a belief, you have received. So there are doubts sometimes that you have made an order, but universe is not delivering it. Trust me guys, universe is testing you. So what is the next thing you can do? The next thing you can do is to be in the mode of gratitude. Like the magic helps you to be in the mode of gratitude where even if you haven't received anything yet, how you can be grateful about the current time, how you can be grateful about your life. Think about it. Feel grateful about the life, the air you breathe in, the heart which beats thousands times a day, the roof over your head, the food on your table, the mobile phone or the laptop you are being blessed with to watch this video. Think about it. There is so much to be grateful for. So it will help you take you through this journey of in the mode of gratitude. And again, of course, like grateful is there, your thoughts are in place, but you also should know how to love them. If you truly love what you have asked, want to have, like nobody can stop you from manifesting anything and everything. In short, you can manifest miracles in your life. It's that crazy. And you can love anything and everything by understanding and reading this amazing book, The Power. Like, it's an amazing one. The series is crazy, and yeah, you should read this one. So, which brings me to the final part of this series recommendation, The Hero and the Greatest Gift of Secret. Like I've already mentioned, so I'll be reading that book and sharing the reviews soon. So I ask you, I encourage you, grab this one and read it. So now you have finances in place, self-development, and also series in place. Now you guys might be wondering why I'm sharing the book recommendation like this, because this is exactly how I share my videos every single month. First month finances, second month self-help, third one it can be of any series, and the final week, the final book series or the final book which I want to share is Your Choice. Like even I pick any book I want to read and I just share my thought, because I believe that there are multiple things to be explored. So this week is completely reading out of the comfort zone. Like for me, I was never a fictional fan. But because of you guys and because of my friends and people who ask me to review on fictional book like Harry Potter, which I'm already doing it, is helped me explore something new, which really changed the way I used to think about them. So, fourth one is Your Choice. Read anything you want, go out of your comfort zone and read something which don't which you don't like to basically. So because you grow when you are out of your comfort zone. So read. So this is pretty much of the video guys, and I'm sure that you guys might be pumped up to know that from where you guys can grab yourself a paperback. So what I will do is I will share the link in the description box from where you guys can grab yourself a paperback. And by doing so, you are also going to support my channel as well. So yeah. So thank you so much guys for watching my video and tuning today. And if you feel I was able to add value, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning from. And also, do let me know in the comment section which one you are going to start off with. Let's hold each other accountable. And also coming up with something crazy. So I'll be sharing that with all of you. And I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. And before I go, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon button so that whenever my video comes to my channel, you get notified. So I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. Till then, मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को.